That'd be nice. Maybe flashcards would help you remember. I think Davos loses his cool when he uses the fist. The one he took from you. He's using to clean up Chinatown.
I know what you're trying to do. But I passed all your tests. I'm taking the fist back.
Do what with it? Cause more chaos? Break up more parlays? The fist almost consumed you. Imagine what it's doing to him. How it's changing him. And all of this could have been prevented if you just kept your balance. Nice. 2-1. But the way you got there, that's what we need to get you past. You put yourself and everyone else in danger when you react to your emotions.
How am I supposed to control my emotions when you're getting in my face like this?
That's the point. That's why we're here. You love Davos. You love me. I'm asking you to separate yourself from that and show me you can fight.
Too.
You're frustrated. Angry. I get it. I used to come here and fight until I couldn't see straight.
So what changed?
I remembered what I was fighting for. What are you fighting for?